Now the instrument is set. Let's see how to start it using the main voltage. Firstly, ensure that the 3 rubber supports are completely screwed. Connect the device to a socket using the supplied cable. Select AC100 240V using the left selector. A red light turns on to confirm that the device is correctly connected and working properly. Now it's time to choose the control mode. For the manual start, choose Start on the right switch. The 5 hammers immediately start their cycle. Before turning the device off with the main selector, remember to select again Remote Control on the right switch. In this way, the 5 hammers will not start at the next power. If you want to start the instrument with the remote control, select Remote Control using the right switch. Push the first button of the remote control to start and stop the hammers. Select Off on the left selector to turn the device off. Possible anomaly. In case you hear an intermittent acoustic signal, it is probable you selected the switches too quickly. Therefore, turn the machine off. Wait a few seconds. Turn it on again, and repeat the operations described in this video more slowly.